How to print on metal. Metal prints are a great alternative to canvas paintings. However, the cost of having prints produced on metal can be quite high. You can try printing on metal at home with an inkjet printer or with transfer sheets. Keep in mind that this process will require testing and adjustment to fit with your specific printer requirements. Part 1. Preparing your metal. 1. Ensure you have an inkjet printer. For this project, the wider the printer and the more flexible the feed, the better. If it has problems printing thick cardstock or stickers, it is unlikely to work. 2. Fill the printer with a good amount of ink. 3. Purchase flexible aluminum flashing. Your goal is for the flashing to be thin. Cut it to size with a wire cutter or strong scissors. Ensure the size is less than maximum size on your printer feed. 4. Choose the side you want to print on. Take the flashing outside and lay the printing surface face up. 5. Sand the surface with an orbital saw. You want to abrade the coating on the outside of the flashing. Use a medium to fine sandpaper and cover every inch with your sanding pad. 6. Clean the surface with a bleach cleaning product, such as a whitening sponge or mister. Clean. The waterproof surface should now be removed so that ink can be applied. Part 2. Applying a fixative. 1. Take the flashing inside. Apply a large piece of double-sided tape and tape it to a waterproof work surface. 2. Purchase and use an inkjet pre-coating product, such as DAS pre-coat. You will need an even layer on the top of your flashing before printing. 3. Apply a thick bead of pre-coat above the sheet of metal flashing. It should be pulled above it so that you can coat it evenly with a coating bar. 4. Use a pre-made coating bar. It can be wood or plastic, but it is similar to a screen printing technique. 5. Place the coating bar above the pre-coat and slide it down over the entire metal piece to coat it evenly. If it doesn't coat your metal and the surface is flat, you haven't used enough pre-coat. 6. Don't touch the surface once you apply the pre-coat. Pick it up from the sides until the tape comes loose. Part 3. Printing an image. 1. Get your image ready to print. Make sure to size it ahead of time and test it. Place your feeder tray bars in the right position for even printing. 2. Apply double-sided tape to a piece of carrier paper the same size as your metal print. Press the flashing down onto it, with the printing side up. 3. Load the carrier sheet and metal into the feeder tray. Press print. If your printer will not print on metal, you will need to opt for the next part, which is using an inkjet transfer. 4. Allow the metal to move through the printer. Let it sit for a few moments. Then, remove it by the sides and let it sit and dry completely. 5. Consider sealing the print in a few hours. The ink is secure, but not very durable at this point. Part 4. Using an inkjet transfer. 1. Opt to use another method if your printer won't print on flashing. Purchase some inkjet transfer sheets that will work on metal. Sheets like LaserTrans say they will print onto any material. 2. Load the transfers into the printer. Print them according to the instructions. 3. Go through the process of abrading your metal flashing, so that the waterproof surface is removed. 4. Apply the transfer very carefully to the metal. It may take some assistance or practice to apply it flush with the edges. 5. Allow it to dry and coat it if recommended. You can now hang or frame your metal print. Things: aluminum flashing, inkjet printer, ink, image, strong scissors or metal cutter, double-sided tape, board or work table, orbital saw, sandpaper pads, bleach cleaning product, sponge, pre-coat product, coating bar, carrier sheet, inkjet transfers for metal, sealer, frame or hanger,